Your computer case is a lot more important than you think. It plays a critical role in your system's cooling process. You need to consider its size, the airflow within it, the number of front panel connections it supports, and whether you can attach additional fans or large water cooling radiators to vent through its sides. Thus, picking one of the best PC cases isn't just some sort of style choice. If you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. As always, go through the description below to see all of the featured products and their buying links. Our list begins with the Corsair Obsidian 500D RGB. It is a premium mid-tower enthusiast PC case with iconic Corsair design, smoked tempered glass panels, and premium aluminum trim. The included 3 Corsair LL120 RGB fans provide a symphony of stunning RGB lighting, all controlled using the included Corsair Commander Pro and Corsair iCUE software. Its hinged tempered glass side doors make accessing your system a breeze, and cooling upgrades are straightforward thanks to fully removable radiator trays. Also, it features a super speed USB 3.1 Type-C port and additional connections for all modern peripherals. Plus, this case offers expansive storage space with an easy-to-use mount for up to 2 3.5-inch HDDs and 3 2.5-inch SDDs. You can hide your cable behind the motherboard tray to keep your build looking tidy with the included PSU cover and rear cable cover. Installing fans and radiators is now easy with the removable trays that can hold up to 5 120mm fans or 4 140mm fans. Next up on the list, we have the Corsair Obsidian 1000D. It is the ultimate super tower PC case that can house the most incredible PCs within its iconic tempered glass design. The hinged tempered glass and aluminum doors make accessing your system a breeze, while a dual system layout lets you install 2 full PCs into a single case. An integrated Corsair Commander Pro lighting and fan controller makes your case smart, able to control and monitor your system using the Corsair Link software. Telescoping fan and radiator trays, up to 13 fan mounts, and a triple chamber design equip the 1000D for the most ambitious of cooling setups, able to mount 4 radiators simultaneously. Up next on the list, we have the Cooler Master SILENCIO S600. Its minimalistic design cloaks its complexity, and the design elements, fine-tuned in form and function, result in minimized noise and efficiently maintains system temperatures. Also, it utilizes a combination of sound-dampening materials, from thick soft foam to heavy mass-loaded vinyl, to precisely counter prominent frequencies. An optional dust filter for the top panel ventilation is included, allowing the top panel and front panel to work in conjunction to cool the system. Also, the front panel features a recurved vent, directing air in through the front bezel. Its steel front door features a reversible mounting system capable of opening in either direction. To prevent vibrations, a softer, thicker material spans the steel structure in conjunction with a hinge system of magnets and rubber stompers. 2 SILENCIO FP 120mm PWM fans are pre-installed with rubber padding to reduce noise, which features specially designed blades that allow for both quiet operation and high air pressure. The H200i Mini Tower case from NZXT is a compact case with a minimal design fit for mini ITX builds. It has built-in adaptive noise reduction that optimizes your build's acoustics for quiet operation. As a mini ITX case, the room is limited so that it can hold 3 or 4 2.5-inch drives, a single 3.5-inch drive, and a single dual-slot graphics card. Also, this PC case has plenty of cooling power, with 120mm fan mounting spots on the top and rear, as well as a 240mm radiator support with a push-pull fan configuration. With the integrated CAM-powered smart device, simplifies RGB lighting and fan installation and management. On the other hand, the adaptive noise reduction within the smart device optimizes cooling and noise balance. The Corsair CARBIDE Series 275R is a compact mid-tower ATX case that matches minimalistic design and a beautiful tempered glass window with a straightforward interior layout and versatile cooling options. It offers a room for up to 360mm radiator in front, a 240mm radiator in the roof, and a 120mm radiator in the rear that allows you to fit any Corsair Hydro Series cooler or up to 6 120mm cooling fans. with a dedicated cable routing compartment and rubber grommets enable effortlessly clean builds, and direct airflow path design provides airflow to the hottest components without any interference from drive cages. Another advantage is that the rugged steel drive tray provides ample room for additional SSDs and hard drives. The NZXT H710i mid-tower case features a sleek and minimalistic design, with plenty of helpful additions for a clean and easy build. Aside from its signature cable management bar, it also has a PSU shroud and a built-in cable management system at the back. Supports up to an ATX motherboard, multiple 3.5-inch and 2.5-inch storage drives, and 3 dual-slot graphics cards. Its tempered glass side panel, you can show off your hardware along with any custom LED lighting. This case includes NZXT's cam-powered smart device, a fan and RGB LED lighting control unit, and 2 addressable LED strips. Whether you choose to liquid cool or not, it supports up to 3 120/140mm fans at the front, a 120/140mm fan at the rear, and another 3 120/140mm fans at the top. Lastly on the video, but at the top of our list, we have the Cooler Master Cosmos C700P. It has a unique frame design that supports a conventional chimney inverse layout, or a fully customized layout. The 3 included covers can be placed on either the M port or the mid plate, with the ability to mount SSD storage or a reservoir. With a flat radiator bracket design, it offers more versatility for liquid cooling, with the power to be mounted on the top, front, or bottom of the frame. The 2 included brackets can each support a 420mm radiator. Its advanced I/O panel features a USB 3.1 Type-C port, 4 additional USB 3.0 ports, a fan speed control button, and an RGB control button. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.